Now we start question. IMP question. Derive distance formula. What is the distance formula? AB equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here A point x1 y1, B point x2 y2 is given. Now we start the proof. This is the y coordinate, x coordinate, x origin, y. Suppose point A x1 y1, point B x2 y2. We have to find this distance AB. हमको AB का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करने का है. Now foot of perpendicular on x axis M x10. तो A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 are two given points. Foot of perpendicular on x-axis is M x10. Therefore OM equal to x1. This distance is x1. Foot of perpendicular on y-axis. Foot of perpendicular on y-axis M dash ले लो तो 0 y1. This is the M dash 0 y1. Now foot of perpendicular from B N. Foot of perpendicular from B x2 y2 on x-axis N point x20. This is x20. Therefore the distance is x2. Foot of perpendicular on y-axis from B N dash 0 y2. N dash is foot of perpendicular from B x2 y2. Therefore coordinate of D N dash equal to 0 y2. Now we extend NB, we get point C. The coordinate of C point. What is the C point? तो 0 से C का डिस्टेंस कितना था? x1. This is x1. What is the y1? तो M से लेके C का डिस्टेंस कितना था? तो ON जितना तो y1. तो x1 y1. Clear होगा? This distance is y1. This distance is y2. A whole distance is y1. This distance is y2. ये डिस्टेंस हुआ y1 माइनस y2. ये डिस्टेंस हुआ x1 माइनस x2. Therefore, AC equal to AM minus EM equal to Y1 minus Y2. BC equal to N dash C minus BC equal to x1 minus x2 by Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. Pythagoras theorem. What is the AB square? So we have to find this AB square. What is the AC square? AC square is y1 minus y2 equal to y1 minus y2 स्क्वायर इसके ऊपर स्क्वायर लिख दिया. व्हाट इज BC? x1 माइनस x2 माइनस x2 होल स्क्वायर है इसलिए स्क्वायर लिख दिया. Therefore AB square equal to AB equal to taking root both sides square root of y1 minus y2 whole square plus x1 minus x2 whole square. This is known as the distance formula. We also write AB equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square or x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square are known as distance formula. Therefore, we have to learn distance between AB equal to AB equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square y1 minus y2 whole square. Distance between 2 points is square root of difference between x coordinate square plus difference between y coordinate square. Thank you.